This is a preview of the Toyota Tamaraw OMR. OMR means race car. And we're lucky enough to get to drive one. So here we go. Wait, legit, who sat here last? What? It's so short. Now we're strapped in. Let's turn this baby on. Okay. Okay, we'll go. Wow. Damn. Not in the ideal seating position.
Make it easy. How is it?
That was bad, but it's fine. Right here. Nothing like the Miata I drove over my car. Very forgiving. I'm not wearing the proper footwear because I'm still wearing my trail shoes, so it's a bit awkward for me, but wow. Let's see how we do in the chicane. It's genuinely surprising to see how Toyota and Auto Plus just managed to transform what is essentially an everyday pickup truck into something that is very flat-footed, very capable through the corners. It's not fast, but you can push us around with confidence. Now, I may not have had the best driving whatsoever, or I'm not wearing the right footwear whatsoever, but this was one heck of an experience. So it's something worth watching next year once Toyota brings this out into the Vios Cup, or sorry, it's something worth watching once Toyota brings this out into the GR Philippine Cup. And wow,